All right, Friday, November the 3rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. A lot of changeable weather over the next week or so. I'll delve into that in just a second, but a couple camera shots from across the region this morning. There's your Greensboro Tower camera during the 5 a.m. hour. It's a cool, quiet morning underway. There's the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera looking over at Bank of America Stadium. Big Panthers home game coming up this weekend. All right, look at the high-resolution visible satellite imagery through the day yesterday. Had those puffy, fair-weather cumulus clouds overhead for a lot of the afternoon hours yesterday, but it was a really nice weather day. These were your final highs across the region. 70s, even some 80s over toward the Sandhills and into South Carolina and over toward the coast. It was mainly mid-70s across the Triad viewing area. In the Charlotte viewing area, the Piedmont zones well into the 70s, mountain areas in the 60s, and these are temperatures early this morning. A lot of us a degree or two cooler than what we had yesterday, simply due to a clear sky for a lot of the night. All right, let's get into what's coming up for us. First of all, the radar satellite quiet locally. Some showers in eastern Tennessee approaching the mountains, though, early this morning. And then even some thunderstorms continuing to rumble through parts of Kentucky and Tennessee early this morning, as a cold front is marching pretty steadily southeastward and in our direction. Ahead of that front, a lot of us squeeze in a dry day. Now, the mountains and the immediately adjacent foothills could see a few showers, even a few rumbles of thunder this afternoon. But you get east of there, the rain chance is very small. But then that front zips south of us tonight, and we get one of our cold air damming or wedging configurations that sets up shop pretty quickly. But a warm day today. These are your highs this afternoon. A much different scenario tomorrow. Through the mountains, foothills, and a lot of the Piedmont northeasterly flow in place, a lot of cloud cover, and in those favored cold air damming areas could have some light rain, some drizzle at times. Temperatures definitely held in check. I think the Charlotte high temperature may be a little bit high with this wedge setting up shop, probably in the 50s all day in the Triad. And just as a for instance, there's Skycast for Greensboro tomorrow. A lot of cloud cover with some drizzle, some light rain, and much cooler weather in place. So the cool type of weather day in place for Saturday. Thereafter, as we get into Sunday, the wedge will gradually erode away. So the clouds break up with time. Sunday, temperatures begin to moderate. There are our Sunday afternoon highs. And then look, by Monday, a really warm day once again across the region. But quick weather changes continue. Here we are Monday. Notice that high pressure in the upper plain states. That will move into the Ohio Valley and the northeastern part of the country by midweek. And so once again, we're looking at a wedge scenario in place Wednesday, Thursday, maybe into Friday as well. And several storm systems try to move our way too. Now, cold front moves through Tuesday. Some showers, a few thunderstorms with that, and then back to the wedge setup behind it. And we'll have to see how many of these little disturbances want to move through, and the timing is very different between the various models on this. But for the time being, I'm going with the basic idea of some showers with much cooler weather as a possibility Wednesday and Thursday, and we'll see how long it extends thereafter. But we'll have to nail that timing down. But definitely after a really warm setup Monday and still pretty warm Tuesday, back to another cool wedge scenario later next work week. Tropics, no sign of trouble. It is quiet still all across the Atlantic Basin. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.